In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a real estate board in Monday.com in just 5 minutes, whether you're a seasoned real estate professional or just starting out. This guide will help you streamline your workflow with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Monday.com website. If you haven't already logged in, you'll see the option to do so at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login, and it'll bring up several options for you to access your account. For this tutorial, we're going to use the Google login method. Click on the Google icon and then choose the Google account you'd like to use. If prompted, enter your credentials and Monday.com will redirect you to your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, pay attention to the left panel. Here, you'll see a plus icon, which is your gateway to creating new boards and projects. Click on this plus icon and a menu will pop up offering different templates and features. For organizing real estate endeavors, we want to explore the template options. Next, from the menu that appears, look for the Template Center option. Clicking on it will unveil a comprehensive library of templates designed for various industries and needs. Our focus today is on real estate, so you should navigate to the Real Estate tab located within the Template Center. This category is filled with specialized templates aimed at helping real estate professionals like yourself manage listings, track sales, and more. Now, in the real estate section, scroll until you find Real Estate CRM. This particular template is crafted to meet the demands of your field, providing features to track interactions, transactions, and client relations efficiently. Click on Real Estate CRM, and you'll be directed to a page that gives you a closer look at what this template offers. You'll find details about its features and how they can be tailored to fit your needs. Finally, when you're ready to implement this into your workflow, locate the Use Template button. By clicking this button, you'll activate the template, integrating it into your Monday.com account, where you can begin customizing it to suit your specific requirements. And there you have it. You've now successfully set up a real estate board on Monday.com, positioning yourself to boost productivity and enhance organization. Remember, this tool is flexible, so make sure to explore its various customizable options. Feel free to adjust columns, automate tasks, and invite team members to collaborate effectively. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials.